Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel. It's Noemi here once again. So for today's video, I will share another easy chicken recipe. So today I will make orange chicken. So guys, how I will do it, the procedure or step by step that I will show, you don't have to really follow when you are cooking your orange chicken. So the steps, it's up to you guys which one you will cook first. It's either the chicken or the sauce. So here are the ingredients that we need, and let's start. We will need, so I have here a chicken breast, eggs, onion, then some garlic. I have here ginger, flour, all-purpose flour, cornstarch, sugar, salt, pepper. I have here the orange and some dried chili. So what I will do first, like what I said before, you don't have to do this first. It's up to really to you guys which one you prepare to do it. So first I will prepare the flour. I will add also some cornstarch. 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Then some salt, half a teaspoon of salt, some pepper, and the 2 eggs. So I cut all the chicken in here. I will only put some pepper on it. Some salt. While I am cooking the other chicken or the remaining chicken, I will start now to prepare the sauce. So guys, before I forgot to tell that we will be needing also soy sauce. And now I will start to prepare the sauce. So in here the orange, I want to remove some zest out of it. Put now some garlic. ginger. Dried chili. Soy sauce. So what I have here is half a cup of water. Then I will add only some cornstarch. Teaspoon of cornstarch. So now in here we will add some teaspoon of sugar. Now we will add the cornstarch. Now we can add that orange zest on it. So let's prepare now the orange chicken. Sprinkle it with some spring onions. So here it is now, my orange chicken. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell so you will be updated when I have a new video. Bye!